I can answer the robot's questions.
How many of these questions can you answer? What is your name?
My name is John. I got my name after my grandfather.
How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
How old are you?
I am 20 years old. I'll be 21 next month.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA. I am from Texas.
Do you have any brothers or sisters? How old are they?
Yes, I have one brother. He is 2 years older than me.
I am 2 years older than my brother.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue, like the sky on a clear day.
What day is it today?
It's Monday, the first day of the work week.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny and warm, perfect for a day at the park.
What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock. It will be 6 o'clock in an hour.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 12th. I usually have a big party.
What do you like to eat?
I like to eat pizza and apples, but not at the same time.
I love sausage.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. He is very friendly.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing a suit. I am going to an office party.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is football. I am pretty good at it.
What's your favorite animal?
My favorite animals are fish. I don't have one at home, but I watch documentaries about them.
Can you play a musical instrument?
Yes, I can play the guitar. I have been learning it for 10 years.
I am enjoying this music.
What does your mother do?
She's a hotel manager. She used to be the cook in the same hotel.
What do you do on weekends?
I usually go hiking. I love being outdoors.
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak Spanish, French, and German.
I am from France.
What is your favorite movie?
I don't really have a favorite movie. I like comedies.
Where do you live?
I live in a small town near the mountains. It's very peaceful.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject was English because I like to learn about grammar.
What did you want to be when you were a child?
I wanted to be an astronaut. I wanted to walk on the moon.
What do you usually have for breakfast?
I usually have cereal for breakfast. Sometimes I only have an apple.
Where's your best friend?
My best friend is at home. He couldn't come.
What color is your hair?
My hair is green. It was pink last month.
Do you like sports?
I like sports, especially football. I play on a local team.
What's your favorite book?
I don't have a favorite book. I like mystery stories.
How many people are there in your family?
There are 4 people in my family. My father, my mother, my brother, and me.
What did you do yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to the cinema to watch a new movie. Don't forget to comment and subscribe.